Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we made homemade squishies. And what's the name of our squishies? I don't know. We're doing a nail business and a lemonade stand. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is this one. We did not make this actually. Like not like that. Like we put slime in the squishy and her mom tied it. It was pretty good, so let's show her. Do you want to do it or me?
You do it, let me do it.
Yeah, let her do it.
It's like so nice. It feels like a real needle, like a fake needle.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
We have this air. This is actually one of my favorite ones because I feel like air is like very nice and cute.
Next, we have crunchy, my very favorite. If you want to make this, you need a balloon and beads.
Yeah, and we're gonna also tell you guys everything we made out of it. The next one we did. Can I do this one? Okay, next we got is Play-Doh. It feels like a Nido, like a baby Nido. So, feel it?
It feels nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have this soap, and it's like I don't know.
We just made it.
Yeah, we just made it with random ingredients.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna tell you how everything we made this out of. The first one is this one. Yeah, all you need is a balloon from Dollar Tree and a little bit of lotion, just like a tiny, and then put some air and squish it, and it feels really nice.
Next is crunchy. I told you when I was showing it, you just need a balloon and beads.
Okay, next one is this one. All I had to do is get a balloon from Dollar Tree. It can be any type of color you want. And all I did was get something in a bowl, put some pink or any type of glitter you like. And you want to make some water and mix it up. And not until it's like a type of liquid, until it's like a sticky type of glitter. Leave it for 2 days to 5 days, 3 days, so 1 day. Afterwards, check on it, get some oil on your hands, rub it, and put it in, and it feels really good, just like a Nido.
And then next, if you have a popped squishy like this, use the skin and put some slime inside. And next we have this one. It's random. You can put anything. We put soap, like men's soap. Bye.
And that's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.